Hello friends, good afternoon to all. I hope you all are doing well. Friends, today I'm going to sharing about the requirements. It's a requirements from Austria. I hope you all have known that Austria is a European country. I'm telling you again, it's Austria, not Australia. So it's a European country, very beautiful country. So if you're looking for a job in any European country, it's a good chance. So don't miss this chance. I will share with you what is the jobs, what is the basic requirements to apply for these jobs, and what is the applying process. So let's start. You can see here executive assistant in Australia. When we are present team of developers, entrepreneurs, designers, and business analysts for building companies with love and commitment. It doesn't matter whether we are investing in existing teams of building our own. We love what we do. We dream of a world where each entrepreneur can live his ideas and follow his passion without being held back by a lack of funding or other business challenges. We believe that ideas change the way we think, the way we are work and the we live. So let's focus what is the job responsibilities. So if you want to apply for these jobs to work as an executive assistant, you should know that is the job responsibilities. They mentioned so many points. I would like to describe you few points because the video will be long. So I can suggest you the all information is in the descriptions under this video. Go this descriptions under this video and collect this information and read it carefully. So let's focus what is the responsibilities to work as an executive assistant in Austria. Take instructions direct from managing director and ensure the executions of it. Coordinate the communicate of the managing director and the international locations. Assist the development and implementation of the company strategy and growth. Ensure all business and revenue streams serve to achieve immediate and long-term business goals. Prepare business and financial reporting. Be a full representative of the managing director to ensure the communications and implementations of strategies and holistic projects. We are looking for a highly qualified and skilled assistant to managing director to work closely with all international locations: UAE, Austria, Germany, Bulgaria, but primarily working in Vienna. So this executive assistant will be responsible for the development and surveilling of the execution of new initiatives aligned with the top management team. So friends, this is some points, some informations regarding the responsibilities to work as a executive assistants. So let's focus the next point, skills and qualifications. This is very important points. Let me highlight these points. What is the skill or the qualifications requirement to apply for these jobs to work as an executive assistant in Austria? College degree in marketing, business, or communications. Excellent in German and English skills in writing, communicating, and presenting. Past work experience as a coordinator, sales and marketing, or similar role knowledge of online marketing and IT development. Good in full Microsoft Office, especially with Excel and PowerPoint. Salary, annual gross salary starting 44.338. I think they mentions it in euro per annum. So don't be worried about the salary because the European salary will be good for every jobs. So don't worry for that. So I can suggest you should have to focus if you're interested to apply to work as a executive assistant. Please read carefully what is the responsibilities and what is the qualifications or basic requirements to apply for these jobs. Then if your experience, your qualifications is matching with the requirements from employer, you can apply. What is the applying process? You have to apply online. You have to open this link and you have to apply online. Also you can apply by sending your CV to this email ID. So next, focus on next jobs. Next jobs is from Austria, and the place is Vienna. The job is customer solution engineer. This is a job in Austria, customer solution engineer. Let's focus what is the basic needs to apply for these jobs. Its dimensions. Electrofit EV is an award-winning and visionary global supplier of embedded and connected software solutions and service for the automotive industry. A leader in automotive software with over 25 services in the industry. EVS software powers of 70 million vehicles and offer flexible, innovative solutions for connected car infrastructure, human machines infrastructure. My technologies, navigation, driver assistance, electronic control units, ECUs, and software engineering services. EV is fully owned subsidiary of Continental. So they mention some, it's like organizational information. So you have to focus what is the requirement and what is the responsibility. So let's focus customer solution engineer, Vienna EV assistance for state of the hardware and software product to successfully develop, test, visualize, validate, and build ADS and automated driving functions and systems. So let's focus on what is the responsibilities. If you interested to apply for these jobs as a customer solution engineer, you should know what is the responsibilities regarding these jobs. So the mentions you will be one of the product support engineers for voice communications, test systems, and rest bus simulations, dealing with our customers and our internal project organizations. You provide technical support to our customers, HIL, software tools, hardware, field applications, engineer. You work closely aligned with our tech centers and development teams. You present our EV assist products and solutions in customers meetings. We will contribute to the internal support process definitions. We will be contribute to the content of our product documentations and product trainings. So this is the requirements, or this is the, you should know, you should have the capacity to mention to do the job responsibilities. Let's focus what is the profile or what is the requirements to apply for these jobs. This is very important point. Let me highlight. So friends, let's focus what is the job profile requirements to apply for these jobs. You are experienced in at least one programming language, C, C++, Java. Okay. You are experienced in embedded systems, ideally in automatic communications, voice systems, CAN, PXA, Ethernet, IN. You have no fear of working with hardware products. You are educated as hardware or software developer or have university degree in computer science, robotics, automatic engineering, mathematics, or similar. You work autonomously and in a self-reliant way. You are problem solver and team player. You have excellent intercultural and communication skills, and you effectively interact with customers. You were able to network and cross location level. If English is excellent both in writing and speaking. If German language skill are an intermediate levels. So this is the basic requirements or the needs to apply for these jobs. So let's focus next point. Our offers. If we'll get these jobs to work as a customer solution engineer in Austria, then they will offer you, that means the company will offer you challenging projects and excellent career opportunities in an international environment, collaboration with leading players in the automotive industry, and informal and supportive working environment, flexible working time, individual development possibilities according to our defined EV career paths, as well as further benefits. This announced position is paid with an attractive and market-based salary. The minimum annual gross salary according to the IT collective agreement is euro 41,706 euro. So minimum of 3 years of relevant work experience, of course, and overpay is determined. The specific amount is based on relevant work experience. So I can suggest you, if you're interested to apply for these jobs to work as a customer solution engineer, please focus the job profile at first. If you have the same qualifications and experience, don't be late. Go to applying process. The applying process is same. You can see here, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to call our recruiting hotline. They mention the contact numbers. You may also directly apply for these interesting positions on our job portal. Learn more about it. We are looking forward to receiving your applications. So friends, I can suggest you, the applying process is same. You have to apply by this link. The element search, otherwise you can send your CV to this email ID. Sure, don't be confused. Today in this video I'm sharing with you two jobs. One is executive assistant in Austria. Second is customer solutions engineer in Austria. If you want to apply, if please go to the description section of this video, collect all these informations, read it carefully. Then, if your qualifications, your experience is matching with your employer requirements, don't be late, don't be confused. Apply online. Open this link and open in Google Chrome browsers and apply on there will become a apply online. You have to mention your CV, documents and certificates, everything, and you will see next to next what is the applying process. So don't be confused. This is Austria requirements. It is a best European country, and this is high skill jobs, high profile jobs, executive assistant with customer service engineer. If you are really interested to apply for these jobs, copy this link from the descriptions and open in Chrome browser and apply online. So friends, I hope this information will be helpful for the careers, and please, I can request you, please share this information to your friends, your relatives, any of persons needs abroad jobs, you can share with him. So finally, I would like to tell you many thanks for your valuable time for watching this video up to end. In the next video, obviously I will come with a new requirements, latest job openings from another country. So stay with me. God bless you. Best of luck. Bye bye.